Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is Friday Night Gab. Welcome to Friday Night Gab, y'all. This is the start of the holiday season, December. I can't believe we're in December, but we are. And I have started opening up a couple of advent calendars. And, some people open them when they get them to show you what's in them in case you're wanting to buy them. And I really wasn't getting a lot, so I decided not to do that. And I had some trouble. I'll tell you about that in a second. I do want to tell you just right now, if you're interested in a giveaway, a treasure hunt giveaway, stop right now, or, leave me on pause, or let it run and find a piece of paper and pen, because you'll have to do some things to win the treasure hunt giveaway, okay? So keep that in mind, and then I'm going to go back to what I was going to tell you about. All right, I ordered the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. I got it last year. The year before I got Glossy Box, and I wanted to Look Fantastic, but I was too late for it. Last year I really liked it. I thought it was a great calendar. I also loved the Body Shop calendar. That was my favorite. That was everybody's favorite. But the Body Shop calendar that I bought was the medium-sized box last year. It was the same box this year. They did not replace it. So they did replace the small box, and it was about the same price as the medium box, because the medium box came down in price. So I didn't get that. So I have some lovely calendars, which I tell you about in my calendar videos. So there is a video every day that comes out at noon Central Time. So that's 11 o'clock New York time. I don't know what all the times are. If you need help figuring out the time, let me know. But there's going to be 25 videos. And then, actually, after Christmas Day, I'm doing a 7-day box. I think it's 7 days. No, 12 days. I'm sorry, it's the 12 days of Christmas. It's the real 12 days of Christmas, which is the 26th to January 6th. That's a whole different situation. This giveaway encompasses December 1st to December 25. There are 25 videos. I know that's a lot of videos, but they're small. They're only a couple minutes long. They're 5 minutes or less, mostly. Now, if one ends up being a little bit longer, I'm sorry about that. But I'm just opening up a couple calendars. I have a cat calendar and a chocolate calendar, easy peasy. And then I have my lovely Macy's calendar that I received from Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Trial Size Life. They sent that to me for my birthday, and I'm so excited about it because you've seen now, if you've been watching, you've seen now 2 days. Today's December 2nd. So I'm just excited about it. It's a nice calendar. Okay, so what I'm doing is in my videos, somewhere, you'll have to keep track. You'll have to watch the videos and keep track. You're not going to comment on the videos, anything about giveaways. We're not going to talk about giveaways on the videos at all. I'm going to show you an item, and it's not going to be every day. There will be several items. You have to watch every day to see what they are. And you will write down every video. You'll write down, say for example, in day 1, I had something. Then you would write down day 1, moisturizer or Elmis. You can do whatever you need to do to identify that item so that I know that you saw the video. You don't have to know the proper names. You don't have to know the name brands. If it's a lipstick, say Lippy. You know what I mean? Whatever's easier for you. You can say MAC lipstick if it's a MAC lipstick. I don't think I have any of those to give, but anyway, I'm just giving you examples. So here is, I'm going to show you right now. This is a bonus item. This will not be found in the Advent calendars because I'm doing it right now. So if you're watching my Friday Night Gab, then you will see this and you will get this. You don't have to identify the bonus items to win the treasure hunt, but the bonus items will be in your package if you win and you identify them. So today, and like I said, it's not going to be every day. You just have to watch my videos to find these things. So I hope you'll enjoy that. I enjoy seeing y'all, so I hope you enjoy that. Today's bonus item, the very first bonus item, is a Petty in a Box, okay? This is by the brand Vosh, V-O-E-S-H. This is really cool. I've shown you all these before. I got stopped at the airport for these. Okay, so this is a four-step pedicure, and this is in the flavor watermelon, so it's very nice. We have the sea salt soak, then we have the sugar scrub, number 2. See, it says number 3. is the mud mask, and number 4 is the massage butter. So this is bonus number 1. You can say watermelon, you can say petty, you can say petty in a box, you can say Vosh, which is the brand. Say whatever you want to identify to me that you know what the first bonus item is. So what you're gonna do is watch my videos from December 1st to December 25th. And then somewhere after you, I know December 25th is Christmas Day, so no, don't panic, don't worry. You have to send me an email or a DM on Instagram by December 28th, which is Wednesday, midnight Central Time. That's 11 o'clock Eastern Time. If you need to know what that is in your time zone, ask me and I'll tell you. So you have a few days. Each day you're going to watch my videos. You're going to write down what you need to know. And then you're going to send me an email or you're going to send me an Instagram DM. And both of those are Mary Catherine Loves Cats, spelled exactly like my name here, at yahoo.com, or Instagram is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So if you have any trouble finding me or emailing me, let me know. I don't want to get emails from you every day. I'm not going to get any emails from anybody until Christmas Day. And if you're busy, don't worry about it. Like I said, you have the 26th, the 27th, the 28th to send me your information. You're going to watch my videos and then you're going to tell me what the items are each day. And if you have all of them correct, you will be put into the drawing. If you also have the bonus items, you will win those bonus items if you are the winner. If somebody gives me all the items and they win and they don't have any bonus items, they won't get the bonus items. I'll save those for another giveaway. So is this making sense? If anybody needs, I will talk about it again. So the rules are just your usual rules. You have to be subscribed publicly to me. Actually, let's just change that. You do not have to be publicly subscribed to me. I have a few friends that are not publicly subscribed to me. You don't have to be. If you are somebody that comments regularly, then I know you. And that's what you have. I have to know you. I have to know you for you to win this giveaway, okay? If you're new to my channel, that's fine too, because in the 25 days, we're going to get to know each other, okay? So by then, we'll be best friends. So I will know you. So if you're new to my channel, if you come into my channel on the 23rd of December, you can still win if you go back and watch the videos. And then, like I said, you'll get to know me, I'll get to know you, and you can enter. So I hope that all makes sense, okay? So the rules are watch the videos, they're short videos, and then I will show an item for the giveaway here and there throughout the 25 days, not every single day. So after the video is put out on December 25th, which is Christmas Day, noon Central Time are when all the videos will go up each day. So I know that you're busy. Don't worry about it. If you're home alone doing nothing, you have time to watch the video that day. Then send me an email with a list of day 5, you showed a moisturizer, Mary. Day 6, you showed a lippy. Day 7, you might not have shown anything. You don't have to tell me. If there's nothing shown, you don't have to tell me. If you want to tell me, you can, but you don't have to. So I hope that makes sense. There will be, I don't know, 10, 12, 15 items. There's not going to be 25 items. But the only way that you're going to know is if you watch the video. And you can't read the comments to find out the answers because nobody is going to comment the answers in the comments. They're going to write them down. It's private, it's secret. You're going to keep it to yourself. You're going to tell all your friends about me. Come over and see the giveaway. But you're not going to tell them what the items are because you want to win. So you want them to find the items on their own, okay? So today, first on your list, if you're going to join this treasure hunt, first on your list should be petty in a box. Petty, box of manicure, pedicure, whatever you want to call it, watermelon, whatever you want to call it, will be fine. You don't have to mention the bonuses. So watch the videos. Was there something in day 1? Was there something in day 2? Tomorrow's day 3. Is there something in there? Check it out. Write it down. Write it all down and send it to me after 12 o'clock Central Time on December 25th. So like I said, if you're busy Christmas Day, which I know a lot of us are, and then the 26th is a Monday, and a lot of people are off that day from work. I'm off that day from work. So you may be busy with your family. That's fine. You can send it to me on the 27th. You can send it to me on the 28th. And then at midnight on the 28th, I'm ending. So all the emails, all the DMs that I get that have the right answers will be put into a bucket, and I will pull a name out, and we will see who wins, okay? I'll probably, what I usually do is I get my friend to help me pull a name out so that it's kosher, okay? So I hope everybody will enjoy this. I'm excited about it. It's something different. We may have to, I think I got it down, but if y'all don't understand it, you're going to have to tell me. So, okay? And I could explain it again and maybe a little bit differently, okay? So that is what's going on with me. I always have my treasure trove giveaway going on. And you know, I do hidden treasures, so that's why I decided to call this a treasure hunt giveaway, because I like that description of treasure. So to me, these are my little treasures that I like to give to someone. And of course, you won't get it until January, because by the time this is finished and I get it out to the winner, it'll be January. So you don't consider this a Christmas gift. This will be after Christmas. And let's see, I think that might be about it. I was telling you about Look Fantastic, but I don't know if I finished telling you about it. So I'll tell you about it another time. They're just giving me a hard time. And I have that calendar in my house, and I'm afraid I'm going to get stuck with it. But I'm so mad, I'm not showing you. I want everybody to know that Look Fantastic and Glossy Box absolutely sucks. And you know, I do not talk that way about companies, about things. They have infuriated me. I'm infuriated by them because I asked them 3 times for a refund when they were not sending it in a timely manner. And they said they would give me a refund. And the same day that they said they'd give me a refund, they said they would force a refund is the way they stated it. Then I got a shipping notice. So it came after the time that I wanted it, and they are not going to let me return it without paying for shipping to the United Kingdom. So I won't do that because it'll cost as much as the box cost. In the meantime, I am dealing with my credit card company, so we'll see how that goes. They would like us to work it out for ourselves, but I can't get Look Fantastic. Oh, we understand your frustration. No, you don't. No, you don't. I had trouble with them a couple years ago. I should have never bought anything again from them. And I know a lot of people love them. I love them. Their monthly box is beautiful. They have the Look Fantastic box. They have the Glossy box. They're beautiful boxes. I enjoyed getting them when I got them until you have trouble. When you have trouble, you're going to come to me, Mary, now I know what you're talking about. So I'm telling you about it now. I am an influencer of 1,600 people. So listen to me. You know, they can just, I can't say what I really want to say because I don't curse on my channel. So that's that. We're not going to discuss that anymore. You're never going to see that calendar because if I get stuck with it, you'll see items and giveaways. But it's left such a bad taste in my mouth. I'm never going to show it. I'm never going to mention their names again. Well, I may just to tell you how lousy they are, but I'm not going to ever give them a positive critique, and I will never get any more merchandise from them. So, okay. All right. So anyway, this is my Christmas giveaway. And let's get happy and enjoy December. My Christmas, my holiday giveaway. You don't have to celebrate Christmas to win this. You can celebrate anything. You cannot celebrate anything. Whatever. I love y'all. Anybody can win. I think that's really about it. I did want to tell you that I don't know about y'all, but I travel once in a while, not very often. But when I do, sometimes I come home and I could just sleep for a week. And sometimes I come home and I'm energized and I get the whole house cleaned and every piece of fabric in my house washed. That didn't happen this time. I came home last Saturday. Tomorrow will be a week. And I unpacked. I started a little laundry. I visited with my boys. I did a few things. I had to go to the grocery store. I was worried that I couldn't drive home because I was falling asleep. So I then slept. I went to bed very early Saturday. I had to do something on Sunday mornings to help a neighbor. And so I did that. And then I came home. I didn't even go to church because I was exhausted. So it's taken me all week to catch up. And I finally feel like maybe I'm a little bit, caught up. But I've just been exhausted, y'all. So anyway, that is all I can think of right now. There's so many things to talk about. I have some more Boxycharm, Mega Drop Shop items to show you. I have to get all that together. I've got to do a lot of filming. So this weekend I'll probably do a lot of filming. And I've got my advent calendars. So come and see my advent calendar videos and join in on the treasure hunt. And I'll mention it each Friday to remind y'all, if you didn't hear this tonight, that's fine. If you hear it next week for the first time, you can go back and see those videos. They're there. They're not, they're going to be there for you to watch and to look at and to decide, look and see. It's not going to be a secret. It's not like something's going to be on the wall. You have to see it. No, I'm going to tell you it's a bonus item. So I may not say those words because then people can look through the transcript. I'm being really sneaky. So I want you all to have fun and enjoy me being really sneaky. Okay? Thank you all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a lovely evening and have a fantastic weekend, y'all. I hope that everybody's okay. I know the weather is bonkers. It's warm, it's cold, it's warm, it's cold, it's warm, it's cold. So if you're in a place where it's bad weather, please be careful and safe. If you're in a place where it's warm, good for you. Say a prayer for all of us, okay? Love y'all. Take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.